Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online lessons we offer. As you may be aware, this weekend marked the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, the anniversary of when she first was crowned, meaning she's been on the throne for 70 long years now. Personally, I basically have no interest whatsoever in the royal family. I'm not a fan of the monarchy, and I think as a country we'd be better off without them. This might explain a little exchange I had with one of my neighbours last Friday, which was part of a 2-day bank holiday that we were given to allow us to celebrate. I bumped into one of my neighbours in the street and she asked me if I was celebrating the Jubilee, and I pointed out that I wouldn't really be, no, because I thought the whole thing was essentially nonsense and that I'm a Republican and have no real interest in the monarchy. And she kind of laughed and said, yeah, I hear where you're coming from. Mind you, it is nice to have 2 days off work, she added. We often use mind you to introduce a second statement or sentence that basically makes what's just been said, either by ourselves or by someone else, seem less strong. So you might be complaining about someone, your brother or your husband or something, and you might be saying, God, he's so untidy around the house. And then you stop and think, and you add, mind you, I must admit, I'm not much better myself. You might be talking about a restaurant and you might say, oh, the food was incredible and the service was just wonderful there. Mind you, you do pay for it, of course. So the second statement that you add kind of makes the first statement or set of statements less strong in some way. I'm going to try something slightly different today. I'm just going to give you 4 half sentences. Maybe in the comment section you can tell us how you might finish some of these sentences. He behaved appallingly. Mind you. Next one. They pay good money there, that company. Mind you, she looks amazing in that photo. Mind you, it wasn't the best film I've ever seen. Mind you, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and let's see some ideas on how you might use mind you in the comment section below.